Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be prepping the 4Runner, getting it ready for my camper conversion build. To start with, I'm going to remove this rear cargo shelf that's in the back of the 4Runner, as well as removing the back seats. So without further ado, let's get started. Again, to remove this shelf, it looks like there's only two bolts. One here, one on the other side. So just to give a close-up of the two things that I'm talking about. Right there, as you can see, it's got this plastic cover. There's the bolt there. It's a 10mm head with a D-ring. Okay, looks like I am mistaken. There's actually 4 bolts that hold this cargo shelf in. So let me show you the other two. You can see it, there's one there. And then all the way across on the other side, there's another. But I think if you do remove those two, then you should be good to go. And that would be how you remove this cargo shelf. And again, to remove these, I'm just using a 10mm socket. Now with that, the cargo shelf removed, removing the back seats is next. I don't know if you can see it, but the bolt on this side is pretty hard to access. It's right in here. So again, these are 12mm, and what I want to point out when I'm doing these sides, I would recommend using the open end. I'll say right now, they don't make these seats easy to get out. In my CRV, they were pretty easy to do actually. There was I believe 8 bolts is all I had to do in the CRV, and they were pretty easily accessible too, not like this. Alright, so a quick note for the back seats of the 4Runner. Even though they look like they're 2 separate units, they're actually joined together at a hinge right here. So it was a little bit more challenging to remove these back seats than I originally anticipated. If you look here, there's a bolt, and it's a 14mm. Then there's 1, 2, 3, and then 4 bolts that hold the back seat bottoms in, and those are 14mm as well. So after I do those, I will have the back seats and the cargo shelf completely removed. So hopefully you guys found this video informative, and if indeed you did find it useful, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more videos as I progress on my 4Runner camper conversion build, as well as posting adventure videos where I chronicle my hikes, mountain bike rides, and even as I get more into it, overlanding. So again, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a good one.